Hi everyone, today we are fixing issues with AirTalk wireless APN settings. If your data isn't working properly, I have got some easy steps to help you get your APN set up correctly. Let's dive in. Why AirTalk wireless APN not working? Incorrect APN settings. If the APN settings are not entered correctly, it can disrupt mobile data and MMS functionality. Missing MMSC URL, not including the MMSC URL, which is vital for MMS capabilities, can lead to issues with sending multimedia messages. Network configuration issues. Problems with the device's network configuration, such as outdated settings or software, can affect APN functionality. SIM card issues. A malfunctioning or improperly inserted SIM card can prevent the APN from working correctly. Fix 1. Check network connection. Ensure that your device has a stable internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to a Wi-Fi network. Look for the Wi-Fi icon in the status bar at the top of your screen for both iOS and Android. Try disconnecting and reconnecting to the Wi-Fi network. Go to Settings, then Wi-Fi. Select the network and choose Forget. Then reconnect by entering the password. If Wi-Fi isn't working, switch to mobile data, go to the settings, then cellular, iOS or settings, network and internet connection, then go to mobile network for Android and toggle on mobile data. If you are using Wi-Fi and other devices are also having issues, try restarting your router, unplug it from the power source, wait about 30 seconds and then plug it back in. Wait for the router to fully restart before trying to connect again. Fix 1. Restart your device. Sometimes simply restarting your phone can resolve the issue. Power down your device completely and turn it back on to refresh the network connection. For Android, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears on the screen. Tap Restart or Reboot to initiate the reboot process. If restart is not available, select Power Off to turn off the device, then press the power button again to turn it back on. If the device is unresponsive, press and hold the power button and the volume down button simultaneously for about 10 to 20 seconds until the device powers off and start the reboot process. For iOS, press and hold the power button or the side button on newer models until the slide to power off option appears. Slide the slider to the right to turn off the device. Press and hold the power button again to turn the device back on. Forced restart if necessary. For devices with Face ID, press and quickly release the volume up button, then the volume down button, and finally press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. For devices with Touch ID, press and hold the sleep or wake button and the volume down button simultaneously for at least 10 seconds until the Apple logo appears. Fix 2. Reset network settings. Resetting your network settings can often resolve connectivity issues. For iOS devices, open Settings, then Journal, then Transfer or Reset iPhone, then go to Reset, then Reset Network Settings. Enter your iPhone's passcode to complete the reset. For Android devices, open Settings, go to Journal Management or System, then Reset and then go to Reset Network Settings. Confirm the reset to complete the process. Fix 3. Check APN settings. APN setting will be updated at a regular period of time by network providers. If you have issues with receiving MMS, try updating the APN settings. Check APN settings for Android. Go to Settings, then go to Wireless and Network or Wireless Control, then go to Mobile Network, select the respective AirTalk SIM. If you have dual SIM installed, go to access point name and then add. Type the following details in respective fields: name AirTalk, APN AirSeller, proxy not set, port not set, username not set, password not set, server not set, MMSC http mmsc.mobile.att.net, MMS proxy proxy.mobile.att.net, MMS 80 MCC 310 MNC 280, authentication type none, APN type default supple MMS, APN protocol IPv4/IPv6, bearer unspecified. Press the menu key at top left of the screen, select Save, return to the home screen, toggle airplane mode on and off, and restart your Android device. Configure APN settings, iPhone. Step 1. Download a profile. Make sure you have the correct link or source to download the profile. Once you click the link, the profile will begin downloading to your device. Step 2. Install the profile. After downloading the profile, you will see a notification indicating that the profile has been downloaded. Follow these steps to install it. Open the Settings app. Locate and tap on the Settings app on your device's home screen. Step 3. Access the downloaded profile. Look for the message that says Profile downloaded or Enroll in organization name. Tap on this message to proceed. Step 4. Install the profile. Tap Install in the upper right corner of the screen. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. Reinsert the SIM card. Make sure your iPhone is turned off before proceeding with the SIM card reinsertion process. Find the SIM card tray, typically situated on the right side of the iPhone or left side for some models like iPhone 11 and 12. Use the SIM eject tool or a small pin to insert into the small hole on the SIM card tray and apply gentle pressure until the tray pops out. Carefully pull out the SIM card tray, remove the SIM card and inspect it for any damage. Then place the SIM card back into the tray, ensuring it is properly aligned and the gold contacts facing down. Gently push the tray back into the iPhone until it is securely in place, clicking into its slot. Fix 5. Contacting customer support. APN settings may be changed recently and yet to update in the device. Call AirTalk Wireless Customer Support at their dedicated helpline 855-924-7825. Clearly explain the situation and APN update. They will help you to update the settings remotely. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.